Understanding, pull the fire alarm. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very important phrase that you might come across in emergency situations: pull the fire alarm. Understanding this phrase can be crucial, especially in scenarios where quick action can save lives. So, let's get started and unpack everything you need to know about it. When someone says, pull the fire alarm, they're referring to the action of activating a building's fire alarm system to alert occupants and emergency services of a fire. This is usually done by pulling down on a lever or pushing a button on a fire alarm station mounted on a wall. This phrase is straightforward but carries a lot of weight in terms of safety and emergency response. Understanding when to pull the fire alarm is just as important as knowing how to do it. You should pull the fire alarm if you see smoke or flames, smell something burning and can't identify the source, hear sounds of a fire but can't see the flames. It's crucial to act quickly but calmly, ensuring you're not raising a false alarm, as this can lead to unnecessary panic and potentially divert emergency services from real emergencies. Fire alarm systems are a critical part of a building's safety measures. They alert occupants to evacuate the building immediately, notify emergency services so they can respond as quickly as possible, can save lives and minimize property damage by ensuring a timely response to a fire. Understanding the role and importance of these systems can help underscore why the phrase, pull the fire alarm, is vital to know and act upon in emergency situations. After someone pulls the fire alarm, several things happen almost instantly. Loud alarms sound throughout the building, alerting everyone to evacuate. Emergency lights may activate, guiding people to exits. The local fire department is alerted, and systems automatically connected to emergency services, ensuring help is on the way. It's important to evacuate the building immediately and not to return until it's declared safe by the authorities. Remember, pull the fire alarm is not just a phrase, it's a potentially life-saving action. By understanding what it means, when to do it, and the importance of fire alarm systems, you're better prepared to act responsibly and safely in case of a fire. We hope this video has been informative and empowers you to stay safe in emergency situations. Stay safe, and see you in the next video.